Part 4 of current affairs. Now see here on November 2 2018, the researchers from IIT Madras have designed India's first indigenous microprocessor called Shakti. Now what is a microprocessor? It is actually an electronic component used by a computer to do its work. So, IIT Madras have designed its first indigenous microprocessor called Shakti. January 1, 2019, scientists from the IIT Guwahati have developed a paper kit to test the freshness of milk and determine how well the milk has been pasteurized, means treated with mild heat in less than 100 degree Celsius. Are you clear, bacha? Now, January 7, 2019, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) of USA has discovered a new planet HD 21749b. Okay, and this new planet is 25 times as big around as Earth. 25 times as big around as Earth. January 24, 2019, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has launched the lightest satellite Kalamazoo V2 into orbit from the Sriharikota Space Center, and it weighs only 1.26 kg. Clear? And this is made by students belonging to space education firm. Clear, better? Next one, May 13, 2019, ISRO chairman Dr. K. Sivan inaugurated ISRO Young Scientist program called Yuvika 2019 at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh to boost scientific skills in a young scientists, young students who have a keen interest in scientific terms. May 12, 2019, one of the India's smallest orchid, Lyconorchis taiwanensis, was accidentally discovered in Assam by the forest officer named Jitendra Sharma. Okay, now what is the orchid? It is a beautiful but rare type of a plant which was found by Jitendra Sharma in terms of size and bloom, and it was only 2.1 millimeter wide. July 22, 2019, ISRO has successfully launched India's second moon mission Chandrayaan 2 at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. November 6, 2019, IIT Madras has launched country first indigenously designed standing wheelchair named Arise. Are you clear, beta? Next, beta, here tributes. December 31, 2018, veteran actor and writer Kedar Khan passed away due to prolonged an illness which was from which he was suffering for a long time at the age of 81 in Canada, and he was suffering from cerebral palsy, which makes him loss of balance and difficulty in walking. January 29, 2019, a charismatic leader and former Defense Minister George Fernandez passed away at the age of 88 in New Delhi. He was suffering from swine flu. March 17, 2019, former Union Defence Minister and Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar died at the age of 63 in Panji because he was suffering from pancreatic cancer. Clear? Now, June 3, 2019, veteran Bengali singer and Indian actress, vocalist, and actor Rama Guha Thakurata died at the age of 84 in Kolkata. She was the wife of Kishore Kumar, and she died at the age of 84. June 10, 2019, the famous Indian actor, film director, and Janipith Award winning playwright Girish Karnad passed away at the age of 81 in Bengaluru. He had been suffering from multi organ dysfunctioning and left at the age of 81. August 6, 2019, former Union External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj passed away at the age of 67 after suffering a cardiac arrest in New Delhi. She was suffering from a cardiac heart attack, and she passed away at the age of 67. Children, do learn these current affairs, and these are very important. Often the question are framed from this section of the chapters.